The wait is finally over because Raminagi's second branch is finally open today at Ayala Center, Cebu. Head over to the level 1 of Ayala Terraces, Ayala Center, Cebu because abli na dyan ang Raminagi and amazing kaigas because they will be giving away exclusive Raminagi merch for the first 100 customers from July 27 to July 29 for every ramen purchase. And for me, this is one of the best ramen in the world. So here are the foods that we tried and tasted. We started the meal with our edamame, followed by crispy brown curry spring roll. And for the ramen, I ordered the Wonder Kakuni King na grabe ka rich and creamy with tonkatsu broth. And I super love the noodles here. O kapilan pa dyan silang makabungog na melt in your mouth na braised pork belly. It was so good. And for their side dish, we tried their chicken karage, pork tonkatsu, and their crispy snack gyoza. And what I like here sa Ramen Nagi is you can customize everything for your ramen, from richness of broth, type of noodles, your sauces, vegetables, and etc. No need to travel outside Cebu kay naa na dyan sila sa Ayala Center, Cebu. So come and visit Ramen Nagi's second branch, grand opening today, and salamat sa pagtanaw!